It's the year 2026, and you walk into a Tesla showroom. On the floor isn't just a luxury Model S or a cyberpunk-inspired Cybertruck, but a sleek, compact electric car with a price tag so low, it makes the EV dream finally possible for millions of Americans. This is not a concept, not a rumor, not a far-off fantasy. This is the Tesla Model 2, Elon Musk's long-promised car for the masses, finally here. For years, critics said Tesla could never build a truly affordable EV. They said battery costs were too high, factories too complicated, and demand was already satisfied by cheaper brands like BYD or Toyota hybrids. But as of today, Tesla has done it. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is real. It's coming, and it's about to disrupt the auto industry the same way the iPhone disrupted cell phones back in 2007. So buckle up, because in this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the Model 2, how Tesla managed to get the price shockingly low, the design and lifestyle features aimed at everyday American families, the groundbreaking technologies that make it possible, and most importantly, why Elon Musk believes this car could be the turning point for humanity's transition to sustainable energy. The promise of a $25,000 Tesla. Elon Musk has been talking about an affordable Tesla for more than a decade. Back in 2006, in Tesla's original master plan, he outlined a strategy: start with high-priced, low-volume cars like the Roadster, move to more affordable, higher-volume cars like the Model S and Model 3, and finally, deliver a mass-market car everyone could afford. For years, that last step felt just out of reach. Even the cheapest Tesla today, the Model 3, still hovers above $35,000, $40,000 for most trims, pricing it out of reach for many middle-class Americans. But Tesla never abandoned the dream. With breakthroughs in manufacturing, battery design, and vertical integration, the company has now unveiled what could be the first true EV for the masses in the U.S. market. The Model 2 is expected to start around $24,995 in the U.S., and possibly even lower in certain states after federal EV tax credits. That's cheaper than many gas-powered Toyotas and Hondas, making the Model 2 not just an electric car, but a direct competitor to America's most popular sedans. The Giga Press revolution. So how did Tesla pull this off? The answer lies in one of the most powerful machines in the world, the Giga Press. If you've been following Tesla news, you know the Giga Press is a massive industrial die-casting machine capable of stamping entire sections of a car's frame in a single shot. Instead of welding together 171 different parts like legacy automakers do, Tesla's Giga Press can create one seamless piece of aluminum in seconds. This eliminates complexity, reduces weight, and slashes manufacturing costs. For the Model Y, this cut costs by 40%. For the Model 2, Tesla has doubled down, designing an entirely new chassis specifically optimized for giga casting. Think about it. Fewer parts means fewer robots, fewer welds, fewer opportunities for error. It's a revolution in auto manufacturing, and it's the reason Tesla can make a car this cheap while still turning a profit. The battery that changed everything but cost savings from manufacturing alone weren't enough. The biggest barrier to affordable EV has always been the battery. Enter Tesla's 4,680 battery cells. These larger, format cylindrical cells are not just bigger, they're smarter. With a tabless design, they allow for better heat management and higher energy density, which means more range at lower cost. Tesla has also integrated the battery pack directly into the car's structure, reducing weight and complexity. This structural battery pack isn't just a power source, it's part of the car's skeleton. The result, 250 to 300 miles of real-world range on the base Model 2, faster charging thanks to improved heat dissipation, lower costs since fewer materials are wasted during production, and with Tesla's ever-expanding Supercharger network, owning an EV no longer feels like a compromise. Design. Now let's talk design. The Tesla Model 2 isn't some stripped-down bare-bones econobox. It's a compact hatchback, roughly the size of a Toyota Corolla or Honda Civic, but with Tesla's sleek minimalism. Expect clean lines, a panoramic glass roof, and a futuristic interior centered around a single 15-inch touchscreen. Elon Musk has always said Teslas should feel like computers on wheels. And the Model 2 is no exception. Inside, you'll find minimal physical buttons, voice control powered by Tesla's AI assistant, full over-the-air software updates, and yes, the same Autopilot and FSD capabilities found in more expensive Teslas. Imagine buying a $25,000 car that can drive itself on highways, park for you, and get better every single year through free software updates. That's the magic of Tesla's ecosystem. Lifestyle impact. Here's where things get really interesting. For most Americans, EV have always felt out of reach. They were either too expensive, too small, or lacked the range needed for road trips. But the Model 2 changes the equation. A young college graduate in Ohio, a family of 4 in Texas, a retiree in Florida looking to downsize from a big SUV. All of these people could now realistically buy a Tesla. And that means millions of Americans will suddenly experience the Tesla lifestyle, lower fueling costs, since electricity is far cheaper than gas, lower maintenance, since EV have fewer moving parts, access to the best charging network in the world, and the feeling of driving a car that's not just fast, but futuristic. This isn't just another car, it's a lifestyle shift. Elon Musk's global vision, of course. Elon Musk isn't just thinking about America. The real target for the Model 2 is the global market. In Europe, compact hatchbacks dominate. In Asia, small cars are a necessity due to dense cities. And in emerging markets, affordability is the only way to drive mass adoption. Tesla is planning to manufacture the Model 2 in multiple locations worldwide, including Giga Texas, Giga Berlin, and a brand new factory in Mexico. This global scale allows Tesla to reach tens of millions of customers who would never have considered buying a $50,000 EV. And here's the kicker. Every Model 2 sold brings Tesla closer to its mission of accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy. The software edge now, let's not forget. Tesla isn't just a car company. It's a software company on wheels. The Model 2 will come with Tesla's latest FSD full self-driving package. Even if buyers don't pay for the upgrade, the hardware will be baked into every single car. This means the Model 2 is future-proof. Today it may be a $25,000 compact car. Tomorrow, it could be part of a self-driving Tesla fleet, generating passive income for its owner. Imagine dropping your car off at work, and while you're in the office, your Tesla drives around town as a robo-taxi, earning you money. This is Elon Musk's long-term vision, millions of affordable Teslas, doubling not just as personal cars, but as autonomous robots. The market disruption. So, what does this mean for the auto industry? Simply put, chaos. Legacy automakers like Ford, GM, and Toyota rely on affordable sedans and compact SUV for a huge chunk of their revenue. If Tesla can undercut them on price while offering superior technology, the Model 2 could eat into their market share like never before. It's the same story we saw with smartphones. Once Apple proved that premium features could be packaged into an affordable device, the industry shifted overnight. The Model 2 could be the iPhone moment for cars, the future beyond Model 2, and here's the thing, Elon Musk isn't stopping here. The Model 2 is just the beginning of Tesla's next chapter. With affordable EV, advanced AI, and global gigafactories, Tesla is positioning itself not just as an automaker, but as the backbone of a sustainable energy economy. Solar panels, home batteries, self-driving cars, robo-taxis, humanoid robots, all of these connect back to one vision, a future where fossil fuels are obsolete And the Model 2 is the Trojan horse that gets Tesla into every driveway. Finally, so here's the bottom line. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 isn't just another car launch. It's a historic moment. For the first time, an EV is truly affordable for the average American. For the first time, millions of families can choose a car that's cleaner, safer, and smarter without breaking the bank. Elon Musk once said, "At Tesla, we don't make slow cars." And now, Tesla is proving they also don't make cars that are out of reach for the masses. This is the car that could put gas stations out of business. This is the car that could redefine what Americans expect from affordable. This is the car that could finally make sustainable energy mainstream. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just for early adopters anymore. It's for everyone, and that, my friends, changes everything. If you're excited about the Tesla Model 2, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into the future of tech and EV, and let me know in the comments. Would you buy a $25,000 Tesla? Or is there another EV on your radar?